A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. I seek refuge with Allah from the evil one, the rejected. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Alhamdulillahi alladhi lahu ma fis samawati wa ma fil ardi wa lahul hamdu fil akhirah wa huwal hakimul khabir. Praise be to Allah, to whom belong all things in the heavens and on earth. To him be praise in the hereafter, and he is full of wisdom, acquainted with all things. يعلم ما يلج في الأرض وما يخرج منها وما ينزل من السماء وما يعرج فيها وهو الرحيم الغفور. He knows all that goes into the earth and all that comes out thereof, all that comes down from the sky, and all that ascends thereto. And he is the most merciful, the oft forgiving. وقال الذين كفروا لا تأتينا الساعة قل بلى وربي لتأتينكم عالم الغيب لا يعزب عنه مثقال ذرة في السماوات ولا في الأرض ولا أصغر من ذلك ولا أكبر إلا في كتاب مبين. The unbelievers say, never to us will come the hour. Say, nay, but most surely by my Lord, it will come upon you by him who knows the unseen, from whom is not hidden the least little atom in the heavens or on earth. Nor is there anything less than that or greater, but is in the record perspicuous. ليجزي الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات أولئك لهم مغفرة ورزق كريم. That he may reward those who believe and work deeds of righteousness. For such is forgiveness and sustenance most generous. والذين سعوا في آياتنا معاجزين أولئك لهم عذاب من رجز أليم. But those who strive against our signs to frustrate them, for such will be a penalty, a punishment most humiliating. وَيَرَى الَّذِينَ أُوتُوا الْعِلْمَ الَّذِي أُنزِلَ إِلَيْكَ مِنْ رَبِّكَ هُوَ الْحَقَّ وَيَهْدِي إِلَى صِرَاطِ الْعَزِيزِ الْحَمِيدِ. And those to whom knowledge has come, see that the revelation sent down to thee from thy Lord, that is the truth, and that it guides to the path of the exalted in might, worthy of all praise. وقال الذين كفروا هل ندلكم على رجل ينبئكم إذا مزقتم كل ممزق إنكم لفي خلق جديد. The unbelievers say in ridicule, shall we point out to you a man that will tell you when you are all scattered to pieces in disintegration, that you shall then be raised in a new creation. أفترى على الله كذبا أم به جنة بل الذين لا يؤمنون بالآخرة في العذاب والضلال البعيد. Has he invented a falsehood against Allah, or has a spirit seized him? Nay, it is those who believe not in the hereafter that are in really that are in real penalty and in farthest error. أفلم يروا إلى ما بين أيديهم وما خلفهم من السماء والأرض إن نشأ نخسف بهم الأرض أو نسقط عليهم كسفا من السماء إن في ذلك لآية لكل عبد منيب. See they not what is before them and behind them of the sky and the earth? If we wished, we could cause the earth to swallow them up, or cause a piece of the sky to fall upon them. Verily, in this is a sign for every devotee that turns to Allah in repentance. Sadaqallahul Azim.